The evolution of new species from an existing species. Speciation. Speciation is the process where groups within a species evolve to become distinct species, usually due to physical separation, genetic changes, or environmental differences. Imagine you're at a family reunion, and over time, you notice that different groups within your family start forming based on shared interests, like music, sports, or cooking. This is similar to how speciation occurs, where new species evolve from an existing species as they adapt to different environments or niches. Just as your family splits into smaller groups based on different hobbies and interests, species diverge into new forms as they adapt to distinct ecological roles, ultimately becoming so different that they can't interbreed. Much like how you might not relate as closely to distant relatives who have developed unique lifestyles.